evening. Today I'll be discussing about green supply chains. As we already discussed about supply chain sustainability and environmental friendliness has become necessity in the modern era. Many companies are insisting their suppliers and distributors to be go green. So let me discuss the supply chain initiatives by Indian companies in the green supply chains. First, how the facility decisions are taken in the green supply chains. Look at the example of Infosys Mysore campus. It has adopted a green building concept. In this, it is having solar planes for their own energy consumptions, and also their canteens are lit by the solar panes installed on the building. They also use rainwater harvesting technology there. Second, how the green procurement happens in the Indian companies. Look at the AID Perry in Tamil Nadu. They have trained the farmers to conserve the water and also how to use less water to grow the sugar canes. Right. Now let me move to the third example, that is green manufacturing. I would like to take the example of the Tata Chemicals, the largest producer of the chemical soda ash in the world. These companies have started using bulk manufacturing rather than a packet-based manufacturing. That means they save the cost. Also, the energy conservation is done. Now move to the next one. The how companies are using the warehousing. These warehousing companies are now moving away from the concrete building to the solar no pane based buildings. Safe Express has started a campaign called Go Green initiatives, and their warehouses are moved away from the concrete building to the energy green buildings or energy efficient buildings. Now I'm coming to the transportation. Look at the government of India initiatives to go for less pollutant fossil fuels. So our petrol and diesels are now with the international standards, and many companies are now moving away from gasoline-based vehicles to the electric vehicles or hybrid-based vehicles. One of the example I would like to take is Kinetic, which is now doing a great job in the electrical vehicles market. Uh, they are now selling the buses to the Andhra Pradesh government, and that's an example. Now I'm coming to the example of another one, packaging. Now, okay, look at the example of a Flipkart. It has stopped using the single-use plastics for the packaging. They are now moving towards the recycling, packaging material. Another example is reverse logistics. Most of the e-commerce companies are having this issue of taking back the goods or returns. So now they are using once again packaging material that can be recycled or reused. So these are the some of the examples I'm taking. To do this, industry body CII has come out with a one ranking called as Greenco. They are auditing the starting from the facility till the reverse logistics, all the supply chain initiatives of the company. And Bangalore International Airport Limited has got the Green Co ratings recently. So this is about green supply chains. Any questions? Please ask me on the WhatsApp group or on my blog prasadkulkarnimarketing.blogspot.com. If you like this video, share it to your friends in the WhatsApp and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.